Hello everybody! Okay, let me start over. Welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop. My name is Amy and I am terribly excited right now. This by far is my largest, most expensive diamond painting I have bought. And I'm so excited about it. And I cannot wait to show you. I'm going to cry. It's the largest and it's the most expensive. And it's from Diamond Art. Okay. So it did not come with the money sticker on there. I just did that so y'all couldn't see my address. But let me open this up. So this is a 55 by 109 centimeter, which equals 21.7 inches by 42.9 inches. So as you know, that is going to be gigantic. I saw this particular diamond painting on a Facebook group that I'm in, and I thought it was so beautiful. And of course, this was before I made the pact that I would not buy any more diamond paintings. So I think this was the last one that I had ordered. I do still have some more coming, but yeah, I just really went overboard. I love doing this, and that's all I can say about it. It's really, look how big that is. Look at that. Woo! Alright. So, as you can see, I think you can see, I got Swan Lake. It is diamond shaped round with AB drills. So I think it's one AB drill on there. And it's super long. And I think it is going to be super beautiful. But I will say this, look how dark it is. So that means I'm going to get super bored. So what I'm probably end up going to do is do a little bit of this until I get bored, and then do my little ones that I just bought. Then come back to this. Is probably what's going to happen. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm going to sit to do this. I may have to just stay in this craft room, not spend time with my family. Because this thing is gigantic. I could go in the kitchen, I guess, and do it in there. This thing is gigantic. Which is another reason I'm really excited about it, because this is the biggest one that I've bought so far. And I'm just super, super, super excited. Okay, there's that. Let me see if I can get a better, here's a better picture of what we're looking at here. There's only 12 colors. 12 colors! I'm going to get so bored. Let's just be real. This is going to be a very boring picture, but when I am done, I guarantee you I am going to absolutely love it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so let's look at the diamond painting. So we have our diamond painting toolkit. So they give you some little baggies. We get a little heart wax and a little tray. I got 2 waxes for this one. And then they give you a diamond drill tool right here, and then you can stick this on there so that it's a little bit thicker, so you have something to grasp onto if you don't have a a thicker tool. If you're brand new to this, you're probably going to use this first just to see if you like it, which is great. I used this for several of my paintings so far. So I've done 1, 2,
2, 3. Have we done 3? Looks like it's 4.
No, I've done 3, and then I gave one of them to my niece for her birthday. And by the way, she did love that. She liked it a lot. So, but this one is strictly for me. Oh, that's so soft. I love it. Look. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Can you all see that? I know, I don't know. Here, I gotta look. Let me get up on my chair so I can see what you all are seeing. Okay, let me scooch it down. Okay, so let me turn it this way. I don't want to go too far. It might roll off the desk. So that's isn't that beautiful? I think that's going to turn out really, really super nice. Oh, wow. Oh, look it. Okay, that may not be as boring as I was thinking. Oh, my. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. That is super big. I have been actually trying to figure out, even before I got this, how I was going to frame it or somehow apply it to my wall so it looks nice. I still don't know what I'm going to do. If you guys have any ideas for paintings this large, what you do, let me know in the comments below, because I'm going to need to figure out how to display this. Wow, I am just amazed. This looks super, super good. The symbols look great. The picture looks great. Definitely bigger is better because you get a clearer image of what's going on. It's not just plain pixely, but you actually have a great image here. So they only had this in round, I think, when I ordered it, so I don't know if they have it in square now. But this was also, I believe, a pre-order, or maybe they had it in at this whatever time. Oh, you know what happened? I was on Facebook and somebody commented in the Facebook group, and it was like really early in the morning, that Diamond Art Club has some of their paintings on sale. Go there now. That they opened up some of their paintings, because they can't keep the paintings in stock. That's the problem. So I went in there immediately and I saw Swan Lake. That's what this is called. And I went, oh, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. So let me tell you how much I paid. And I got it, by the way, obviously. So it was $54.99. I did not have to pay shipping. It was free shipping. So I got it for a total of $54.99. So I just am super happy. I know that's expensive for diamond painting, but I will pay that at Diamond Art Club. They do wonderful work with their product. I am never dissatisfied with what I'm getting from them, so everything is always so great. So I love those diamonds. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, these are not the 310s. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 bags of 310s. I'm surprised. I thought it would definitely have more than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 939. Okay, so there's a mixture. Oh, wait a minute, here's some more 310s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far 9 that I'm seeing. They always look so good. You can count on their diamonds looking awesome. Okay, here's the blue. You see that? Oh, this is going to shine and sparkle like crazy. I love it. And there's my AB drill, my Aurora Borealis drills. They have a little bit of glitter additional to them where these don't have that, but this one does. So that's what makes it, it'll sparkle a bit more than the other drills will, so it makes it a little bit more special. So that's it. That's all. Just 12 colors and a gigantic painting. And I can't wait to start. Woo! I have so many to do. In total, once I get all of my paintings, I think I added up that I have 12 paintings right now that I'll be able to do. I need to count that again just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure it's 12. And I'm not ordering anymore. I'm just not. I have spent enough money on this stuff. But yeah, look at this again. Isn't that just beautiful? And the swan looks really good. And then you can see the outline of the moon, the reflection of the moon in the water. So this is the top of the water with the swan and then the reflection here. Man, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I just have to figure out how I'm going to do this since it's so big. Most people start at the top, but for some reason I always want to start at the bottom. I think the last painting I did, I started from the side, or I tried to do the top, and then I just, I slowly went down on the side, and then I went down to the bottom, and then I worked from the bottom to the top. So, I don't know. I find it easier, but maybe it's better on the drills to start at the top, and then that way you can just let it hang, or you can, you can roll it up. That way nothing hits it. I don't know. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This was Swan Lake from Diamond Art Club, and I'm super excited. I have so many diamond paintings to do already, and I still have some more coming in, so hopefully soon you guys won't have to watch any more of me getting any more diamond paintings. You will be able to watch me do diamond paintings or do other crafts. And if you have ideas for crafts, let me know, and I will definitely start working on that. I think I'm definitely going to start working on a composition notebook. I have one already, but I'm thinking about doing a new one, and maybe in mini size if I can find the mini notebooks. Because I had someone ask me about, I've had a couple people ask me about the composition notebook, so I'll probably do that. But if you have something else you'd like to see me do, or if you just want to see me do the diamond paintings, that's great. I will do that too. So I hope you guys have a great day, and get out there, do your artwork, get de-stressed, and come back and see me again. I'll have more videos. I'm trying to do one every week, and maybe 2 a week if I can get up to that. So I'll talk to you all later, and have a happy, happy day. Bye.